Happy Thanksgiving. We are at Legit Thicker getting some breakfast. And Caleb wants my phone so he can watch Mouse. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show y'all the food because he wants my phone. I just got a BLT. Ryan got a country breakfast. I don't know what that is.
Yes, sir.
Hi, my bellas. It's Thursday night, December 1st. Ryan right behind me. Y'all can't see him. He ordering Chinese food. But Caleb opened the box for me a little bit. I haven't taken my shower. Caleb already got his bath. Ryan already took his shower. I'm about to take mine. But y'all see my gift Ryan bought me? He looking confused. Y'all can't see him. You did buy this. I told him I wanted some ones. No, not ones. What day is Ryan? What? Dunks. That I wanted some dunks. Come to find out, they didn't come. I thought they were already out, but they wasn't. They came out yesterday. And I didn't even go online. I forgot about them. They might still be up there. I'm about to go look. But so since they didn't have them, for whatever reason, I decided to hop my behind. And that was Black Friday. You gave me that? It was either Yeah, it was Black Friday. I'm pretty sure. He gave me the money for the dunks, but then I wanted me another bag because I keep on just putting myself here, there, and everywhere, whatever. So I wanted me a bag, and I wanted a book bag purse. I told y'all I was done with Coach, but nope. I ordered this one. So right here is about me. I wasn't about to open it, but I was gonna wrap it up. But listen, I ain't good for waiting on nothing, and neither is Ryan. It's a wonder that Caleb don't already have his birthday gift. It's sitting in the closet, which Ryan will have to open it anyway because he gonna have to program it and all that good stuff. I should do a whole unboxing video, ain't it? I should, because this lighting is ridiculous anyway. But yeah, this is so cute. It ain't too big. It looks smaller than it is, but you said get it? Cause he ain't got no clothes. Well, he got on underwear, but all right, y'all, he on the phone. Yeah, this is supposed to be his birthday outfit, but I'm gonna probably have to order another one and expedite it because I want him to have one for daycare and one outfit. I'm extra. I already know that, and I'm okay with it. I want him to have one outfit for the day before his birthday, which is the 16th. He going to daycare, and I'm going to get some cupcakes and some little treat bags or whatever. Or something. I don't know if I'm going to do cupcakes. I'm going to send something there to celebrate his birthday. I really would like to buy the whole class pizza, because he only got, I would literally only have to buy one large pizza. For he got 2 teachers in his room, and then, stop, I don't want to make up on your clothes. Put your hand down. Buy one large pizza, and then do some snack bags, or whatever, but I don't know if they're going to let me do that. I know that that's something that can be done, but I don't know. They so weird. Because I know you can do it because they fed the kids pizza for Halloween. Halloween was on a Monday, so they gave them. And then I bought Caleb these shoes. I got them while they were on sale. They're originally $80, but I got them for... I'm so glad I didn't get no long nails like I started to see, because putting his shoes on is a task. Yeah, push your foot down and help me, son. Help me. That's right, help me. All right. You look good. I wish you had a fresh haircut, but his dad said he didn't take him to get a haircut until the day Thursday before his birthday. Anyway, let me finish getting dressed. Y'all can see me on here looking like this. Okay, real quick. So I did order Caleb this little Nike bag to put his stuff in, his pull-ups, his pamper, and that's pretty much it, and some pocket tissue. So I'm pulling this out. To put his stuff in or whatever, and then we're about to go. See y'all in a minute. My mama calling me.
It's a bell pepper. Is it, or is it a miniature pumpkin?
You can push the cart, Caleb. You can push the cart. Push it.
She's weird. She likes kale and she is wow. Like, she don't worry about her face.
You can put it in there and push the cart.
Fabric soft energy. What trade you for me? Oh.
What, Caleb? He doesn't understand the concept. I wish his siblings or his cousin was here with him so he has somebody to like feed off of and what to do. Okay, here he go. Cause he just keep. Oh. He don't like the big. There's a big old dude outside, Eddie. He don't like it. He tried to get me to pick him up. He ain't like it. The ladies, well, you don't like Eddie. Ain't nobody believe my baby is 1 year old. Why, he is one. He be 2 December 17th. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, so let me go. Oh, Lord. Now she about to throw all the eggs. We had the little, okay. Yep. Look at this.
Huh?
Look at the cow. Cow. Say cow. No, that's not the cow. This is the cow. That's the cow. You can drive.
I'll be on that main street and I'll be on that main street and off of this.
Okay, we left out of Marco's. I got us a small pizza because Ryan don't want any. He's still at work, but he said he'll be off in another hour. So I got me and Caleb a small pizza.
I want pizza.
I know you want pizza, that's why I bought it. We were supposed to go to Chick-fil-A, but Caleb was acting crazy and Marcos was closer than Chick-fil-A. And I want some ice cream.
I want cream.
I'm gonna take his clothes off and let him eat his pizza. Let him eat his pizza right in his chair. And his and he, if y'all see his lip, he busted his lip. Stop. You finna get pizza? He's ready to take a nap. I never take my baby nowhere without letting him take a nap. And he woke up super early this morning and he took he went back to sleep for a couple of hours. Literally a couple of hours, a little bit over a couple of hours. And so I figured that he was good to go to the place or whatever, but because he's so used to being asleep at this time, he's still tired even though he had that 2-hour nap. So you finna get pizza. I'm about to put you in your car seat and he finna eat pizza. I'm gonna change your pull up. I gotta stop somewhere and get a drink. Well, he got something to drink. I don't have nothing to drink. I'm supposed to go into this. Alright, y'all, that's enough because y'all need to see me do all this. But that's what we got going on.